In this video, I will show you the top 3 super accurate buy and sell TradingView indicators that will forever keep you profitable. These technical indicators work on all time frames and is suitable for trading crypto, stocks, forex or any other market with high liquidity. I will give you the best settings for these indicators and my personal recommendations on how you should combine them with other tools, so stay tuned for that. Okay, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So, in the third place, we've got a really simple yet highly effective indicator that's called the UT bot. You can add it to the chart by clicking the indicators box and typing in UT bot. And the indicator you're looking for is this one right here by Yo Adrian. As we can see, it's really easy to follow the signals given by this indicator. Notice every time the price action crosses above this baseline, the indicator turns green and it issues a buy signal. And when the price does the opposite, the indicator turns red and it issues a sell signal. It's really straightforward and there is nothing in between. In my opinion, this is really good because we eliminate all the emotions out of the game. You can use this indicator on different time frames. I think it works the best on higher ones because of less noise and manipulations in the market. It issues really accurate signals in a trending market. The indicator comes with 2 customization options in the input section. You can increase or decrease the sensitivity by changing the key value. On this particular indicator, I like to keep the settings on default. There are quite a few options out there in terms of filtering out bad signals. Your best bet will be to add a good volume indicator and a trend filter to the chart. For example, you can use the volume fighter and the trend meter. These tools will help you find high quality trade entries. For example, when the UT bot issues a new sell signal, the volume indicator must be below 0 with a red background, and the trend meter must print 5 red circles. On the other hand, when a buy signal is issued, the volume must be above 0 and the background must be green, and the trend meter must print 5 green circles. Let's actually take a look at how well this strategy would perform on a 5-minute chart. I think it works pretty well, definitely give it a try, but make sure you do your diligent backtesting and forward testing before trying the strategy out on a live market. Alright, let's move on to the next indicator. So, in the second place, we've got an indicator called Alpha Trend. This indicator by Kivans Osbeljic. Alpha Trend is also a really powerful and easy to use buy and sell indicator. The signals are issued based on these 2 plots. Every time the blue plot crosses above the red plot, the indicator prints a buy label. The opposite is true when a sell label is printed. I personally like to keep the chart as clean as possible, so let's actually get rid of these plots. Notice, even on default settings, the indicator has given us really accurate buy and sell signals. So yeah, really good for a single indicator, but still not good enough if you're planning to use it long term. As we all know, the market is ranging nearly 80% of the time, and during that time we can see that the signals get really bad. So it's definitely not recommended to use this indicator on its own. A good solution would be to use this indicator in a combination with price action technique. For instance, you can add a support and resistance indicator with breaks to filter out bad entries. There are multiple ways how you can use these levels. I personally found the one that works pretty well. So the idea behind it is to enter the trade when the indicator issues a signal at the same time the price action makes a breakout. This way you'll filter out a lot of losing trades when the market is ranging. Notice how accurate these signals are when they are issued at the same time the market makes a breakout. So yeah, pretty good stuff, you can definitely give this combo a try. Okay, let's move on to our final indicator. To add this indicator to the chart, you need to click on the Indicators tab and search for Range Filter Buy and Sell. The indicator you're looking for is this one right here by Roth. This tool finds the best entries possible by filtering out range in markets. The indicator comes with the bar colors. When the market is moving sideways, the bars are colored in yellow. When the momentum is bullish, the bars are green. And when it's bearish, the bars are red. There is also a plot that changes color as well. Obviously, the most important part of this indicator are these buy and sell labels. So let's actually access the indicator settings and disable all of these options except the buy and sell signals. Also, in the input section, I recommend to change the range multiplier from 3 to 5 and the sampling period from 100 to 150. Right away, we can see that the degree of accuracy has increased. As we can see, we had 4 winning trades in a row in the past week. The last one is about to hit the take profit target as well. You can build so many strategies around this indicator. For example, you can add another 2 indicators to the chart to protect yourself from losing trades even more. With this strategy, you enter in a long position when the indicator prints a buy signal, the price action breaks above the upper VWAP band, and the braid filter is green. Obviously, when the price action is inside the VWAP bands, you're not taking any trades. For sell positions, the indicator must print a new sell signal, the price action must be closed below the lower VWAP band, and the braid filter must be red. You can try this strategy on a Forex market as well. We can see that the strategy is giving us a lot of winning trades in a row, which is definitely something we're looking for. By the way, you can set alerts for this indicator. For that, you need to click on alerts and then select the range filter. Here you can select the buy or a sell alert. In terms of options, you want to select the one that says once per bar close. And once you're done, you simply click create. Obviously, you want to add an alert for sell positions as well. And that's it. This way you will save yourself a lot of time. Okay traders, I hope you found these indicators useful. By the way, if you're new to the channel, you definitely want to check out my other videos. You can simply head over to the playlist and find strategies for different markets, the money management videos, and the collection of the best indicators.